Buenas tardes, estimada tutora. A continuación, en este video haré la explicación de la práctica de la sesión, cómo me pareció, y también dar respuesta al interrogante de la actividad número 3 del punto 3 de la actividad, donde nos especifica una situación donde debemos dar una respuesta. Entonces, daré inicio. Me presento, mi nombre es Junior Leder Bolaños Aguilera, soy estudiante de Ingeniería de Sistemas en el CEDAT de Gachetá. Voy en octavo semestre de Ingeniería de Sistemas. A continuación entonces daré inicio. The practice session with the tutor was very good and important. Since this way, we want to improve our pronunciation and fluency when speaking in English. And I hope more practice session activities will be done. And continue the situation. And if you could heavy and job and the world, what job would you choose? An ambassador, an engineer, a big lawyer, a chef, or another? Explain. And I choose to be engineer because he's on change of innovation and creating in technology. In addition, an engineer has many work fields. For example, an engineer orders design to architecture the computer. Uh, Also, he loves program web page, application, and programs. Um, what has been the last job you have had, and what's important for you? And my last work was the distribution of products lactose and different budgets. And this work was not important for me because I did not focus on my field. Thank you, tutor.